and it's not immediately shot down by the first judge who sees it. Is this going to go into effect?
Well, it may, although I'm told that I got a tweet from somebody, or a text message from somebody during the break, that there's a press conference going on right now and that the president may have walked it back. And that we checked the president's Twitter feed. Apparently, he made some sort of crack about don't buy so many groceries. Everybody calm down. And apparently, Mike Pence is still speaking now, or so I'm told. I'm on the phone with you. But let's assume that there is a legal challenge to this. The first question is who's a plaintiff, and that would be anybody who has standing. It would be anybody that has the right to travel. So any citizen. We'd have to find somebody to bring the action under. I may bring it under my own name because I have to travel down to Austin to work with Alex once a month. I don't want to be banned from doing my job. Then you file a complaint in court, a short and plain statement together with briefs about why you think this is an unconstitutional infringement on people's liberties, why it breaks a fundamental right of ours. You have a quick hearing in front of the judge. You ask for first an ex parte hearing. In other words, you say the government shouldn't even have a chance to be heard on this. This is transparently outrageous. If the government grants that, or if the court grants that, then there could be a stay while the government had a chance to respond. That's extraordinary. If we didn't get that, then the government would have a very brief period within which to respond, and there'd be argument before the district court judge. That judge would then make a decision, most likely from the bench. The loser would then have an opportunity to take an immediate appeal to the Federal Circuit Court of Appeals, and I believe that court would hear it quickly. The loser of that battle then would have an opportunity to take a writ of certiorari, which is a request to the United States Supreme Court that they hear the matter promptly. I think all of that could take, up to 20 days to play that cycle out, which from a lawyer's perspective is the speed of light. I chuckled when you talked about coffee and sleepless nights. Those are just what goes with the turf in a law firm. But this would be an extraordinarily stressful period. But it would. And I think it'd be one of those cases where the courts would drop everything to hear it because such a move is unprecedented in the United States.